Good morning. This is Don again with the Reasonable Realtor. Man, it's been a while since I made a YouTube video, but I'm still here, so don't pay the ransom. I have escaped. Wanted to let you know right now, bring your attention to the fact that we are trying to develop some longer pages. Uh, you would call them cornerstone type pages, to which smaller articles will be attached. I could use all of your help if you've got any questions or comments or suggestions for me. Please make them down at the bottom. If you will, hit the red button that says subscribe. That'll be relatively painless, and it would sure be supportive of us, the Reasonable Realtor. Down below is the link to the new Cornerstone page that we're putting up. I invite you to take a quick look at it. Don't smirk, but enjoy it and help us with it when you get a chance. Thanks.